really love the color of this 600RR. It's going to take me a long time to learn to ride it. My main problem is I come from the old school, okay? In the old school, when you turn your steering wheel, everything turns with it. Same here. Same with the gyro. This everything stays in place except these turn right here. And I don't know if that's stock. It says Rizomo Racing Components. I have no idea what that is. And then another thing I'm wondering about is what the hell went right here. I'm gonna have to look that up and see if I can find it. I think this is the stock hookup for the rear lights and everything. And it's a beautiful bike. Before I go out and run it, now I would say this to all bike enthusiasts, just like this Honda here and this gyro, and I don't have it on the Yamaha, but go out and get yourself a shop manual. They used to be about $200, but if you get a shop manual, I don't mean the little tiny manual that comes with the bike. I mean one of these. This will really help you. I got this old manual from somewhere, but this is a 2003, 2004 Ruckus that I worked on. This is my official manual for my gyro, and I also have one for the Honda. But this can really help you with different things about what the technicians and guys they pay $4 an hour to screw you at the bike shops do that you could do yourself, and you could probably do it better. And I'm also thinking, and this is another question, well, I'll post it here.